Let's get it, man. Alright. So. Alright, let's actually hold up. Let's start off on the trade I took today. Alright, let's see, mate. Wait, why'd I pull up S&P? Alright. So, wait, what? No, not US 30, bro. I'm tripping. Okay, here we go. Okay, so first off, the trade in the morning. I did not trade in the morning, but a trade that looked nice in the morning was this right here. So this broke to the upside, then there's a big displacement here. Was there an SMT? If there was an SMT, then that's A plus right here. Let's see. Okay, I do not. No, there's no SMT. Okay, so we came into this order block. Okay, so we came into this order block. We had a displacement up. Consolidation, power of 3 right here. Literally textbook power of 3 consolidation manipulation. Boom. So once this 15-minute broke, which is somewhere here, I don't know. Once it broke, it came back down into here. This 5-minute, and then once you're in this 5-minute, boom, A plus trade right here. Literally A plus. This displacement here shows that it wants to go to these equal highs, and this was like obvious equal highs too, so this was an A plus. I just didn't take this trade. Yeah, definitely A plus trade. Let's show that market maker buy model. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, came up here. Alright, let's see. This is the trade I actually took today. So 130. Okay, so the 1 hour. Yeah, the 1 hour broke. I seen that the 1 hour broke at 1. So I was bearish down these lows. Or this low. And then what happened was I went to the 5-minute displacement right here, came back up after the displacement, and then broke this 5-minute right here. So I did take this trade off of a 5-minute, and yeah, I think my first take profit was right here, then second right here, and then yeah, I didn't leave it running. I don't think I left it running. Or actually, I think I might have left one running here. I don't know. I can't remember. But yeah, that was a good trade. It's crazy because like I literally realized how much market maker like X model is important. Like it's actually everywhere, bro. It's crazy to see. Like And whenever like a model starts, it tends to just make highs without sweeping them until the model reverses. And to catch a reverse, you need a displacement. So, and it happens on every single time frame. And I don't know why, but I just now started taking, like, I knew about it, but I just now started taking the model like into consideration when I'm looking at the markets. Like, it's actually crazy. So like on the 1 hour, okay, yeah, whoa, this is crazy. So let's just like go down here. Okay, wait, let me zoom out for this actually. So like on the 4 hour, we were obviously in a buy. Price does not need to sweep these lows because we're in a buy model. It doesn't need to. But like same with this, like we were in a sell model here. It didn't need to sweep this lows. Yes, sometimes it will, but like just because it sweeps the low doesn't mean it's gonna reverse. Whenever you know it will reverse is when there's a big displacement. There's no displacement below any low. Just in fact, it didn't even sweep any low down here. So boom, like this for example. This was a low. It got swept. There was no displacement. It wasn't even a candle close below. So we weren't anticipating any reversal. All these equal highs. Obvious draw right here. Okay, so on the 1 hour, I wouldn't say this is a reversal just yet, but I guess you could say we are in a sell model on the 1 hour. What the? Yeah, I don't know, for whatever. So yeah. Like on the 30-minute, for example, or the 15-minute, we are definitely in a sell model. This big displacement below this, boom, could come back up and then just keep dropping, but yeah, sort of displacement. It's not crazy, but like you get the point. Like if I'm on the 5-minute, it would be a big displacement below this low, boom, huge displacement. I would be expecting these lows to be the draw. Price won't reverse until an obvious draw gets hit. Like, and the best time to take a trade is when all of the time frames align. Like if the lower time frame aligns with the higher time frame, that's when it's the best time to take a trade. But yeah, like this was like a really good trade. Like a really good trade. There was a huge displacement below this low right here. And then came back up. Then broke this gap. Turned into inverse. It was a nice trade. Not bad at all. And yeah, okay, even like the AM. Like I know I went over it already, but like it was still a really good trade, mates. Yeah, 930. This was just a power of 3 right here. Price came down. Boom. Let's see how the 1 minute displacement looks like. Yeah, bro. This would have been like a good trade because it came all the way back down. Like displaced, came all the way back down. Then boom. A nice trade right here. Yeah, so I'm trying to think, why would this not be the displacement? Well, I definitely wouldn't have taken this short because all these equal highs up here. Well, technically just these two. because this got swept. Oh, this got swept. But yeah, I don't know. The only time I would switch bullish is when like a higher, like this got broken, or this inverse. But this is obviously the power of 3 right here. Consolidation, manipulation. But I'm trying to think of why this displaced down here. Like on the lower time frame, this was a sell model. Consolidation, manipulation, distribution. Came down, created all these lows, and then or all these highs, and then boom, big displacement, like precious reverse. But like, there's not, I don't know, I guess it was the order block. Usually you would like tap or like sweep this or something. Maybe that's why I was thinking there was a SMT, but maybe there's one. Okay, there was an SMT on. Wait, hold on now. Oh yeah, there was. I believe so. 6 Wednesday 15th. So 4 p.m. on Wednesday. Yeah, so there's definitely an SMT right here. Cause this makes more sense. Swept this low. And that's what made us reverse, like this low right here. But just without looking at that, it's just like, I guess the order block. I guess you could say the order block. I just don't really use order blocks that much, that's why. But yeah. Trying to think like, would I have taken the short or not? Okay, so say it came up here and broke this. Probably would have taken the short, but it probably would have been like a break even. I don't know. Maybe I would have, maybe I wouldn't have. But yeah. Yeah, like on the higher time frame, there's a buy model for sure. Because it's displacement. Yeah. Alright, let's do some back testing, mate. So Thursday, 10:30. Okay. Definitely not. Okay, let's wait. Hold on. Let's go on the height. So we are in a 1 hour fair value gap. Let's go to the daily. Okay, so on the daily we're bearish. We broke this daily. We're in a daily gap. So until this displaces down, which I think could definitely happen right here, literally right where we're at. Yeah. I'm just gonna wait for like a displacement. Okay, so this 30-minute got broke. Or it's this right here. So my bias is kind of like, well, I want to see it displace down for sure. I do want to see lowered. Came into this 15. I guess you could say this is a displacement. But right now, price is actually horrific. Like, I would definitely never trade this. Okay, so we fill this 15-minute. I do expect price to go lower. Because of this gap right here. Then we got a displacement. I do want to see lower. There's nothing really I can take. Came back into this 5-minute. Okay, if this breaks, I'll take. Okay. So we broke this 5 minutes to fill in more of this 15. Let's see if we break this 15 or not. Yeah, we could certainly just bounce off of this, but I do want to see this 1 hour hold. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna take this. Start to break even once this gets hit. Possibly even take some profit. Okay. So, okay, so I believe we're still bullish. And if we break this 1 hour, I expect it to go to this high. But I don't. I definitely expect lower on the on the daily. Not sure. Maybe I'm too zoomed out. This is 15-minute broke. So we're still holding this 1 hour. I want to see if this breaks. Got a big displacement down, sweeping all these lows. Okay, I'm gonna take this. I mean, this is pretty. Yeah, I mean, I definitely like this trade. You could definitely reject up here because we are in a 15-minute gap. But I do want to see these lows get hit. Okay, I know what I'm doing wrong here. Imagine it just rejects. Oh my, imagine. I need to take up my position. Okay. So what I am doing wrong is that I'm assuming that this is just gonna hold without like it actually being I have to wait for displacement first because we are obviously in a buy model on like the 1 hour, but on the daily we're on a sell model. But so I'm an intraday trader, I don't need to kind of base my thing off the daily, but if they both aligned up, it would obviously be a better scenario trade. But I need to focus on the buy model that we are in until said otherwise. Like, these lows are not getting hit. Why? Because we are in a buy model. Let me go to the next day. Okay, so now this 1 hour did break. The 4 hour broke too. We haven't really got a displacement below a low. So we have these equal highs over here. Okay. I think price is just rebalancing, and then it's gonna continue higher. Actually, oh no, it could just be going lower. We'll see if this breaks, because we are in a huge sell model on the bigger time frame, so this could definitely just break. this is huge, bro. What just happened? 7 p.m. Like, what? Like, this would be such a weird, like, trade. Like, what even is this? It's not like a bad trade, though. Like, this being broken. Just because we are, like... Actually, I want to see, like, a displacement. Okay, yeah, would have been a good trade. So we tapped into this 1 hour. Yeah, not really. This is just like weird. No, I think I'll trade this day. Okay, so we tapped into this 15. Let's see if we break this. Also swept this high, so oh, this is PM session. I mean lunch session. I don't think I would have taken a trade during lunch, but whatever. Yeah, lunch session, nah. Screw lunch session, bro. Okay. The heck? Next day, mate. Okay. We are back in this 1 hour. I do want to see price go lower. We're at see what's up on the daily. Yeah, I do expect price to go lower. Let's see if this holds. Pretty good trade right here. Dang, bro. Okay. Yeah, definitely an A+ trade right here. These equal lows. Bro, wait. Nah, I don't care. That was a good trade. Oh, I should have. This breaks. Okay, seems like we want to push higher. Technically, on the 15-minute, we are on a buy model, so I guess in a way, like, I don't know. I think I should be more like. I think what I'm doing wrong is that instead of waiting for a displacement, I'm kind of trying to like get in the displacement, but like I should be waiting on the higher time frame displacement. Like since the 4 hours bearish, the daily's bearish, but the 1 hour is like on a buy model kinda. I shouldn't be trading the higher time frame sell model. I should wait for like the lower higher time frames, like the 1 hour, the 15-minute, to actually be on a sell model, and that's when I should take like a sell on the 1 minute. If if that makes sense. Like I'm kind of forcing the trades here. Like not forcing, but like I'm kind of like in a way just kind of assuming that it's gonna displace on the high, like because of the higher time frame draw being like bearish. I'm assuming that like it's just gonna reverse on the 1 minute. Like if that makes sense. Like I should be waiting for like something to tell me. Okay, so like this just created another low. But like since we're in a buy model on the 15 and the 1 hour, I feel like this would be a better trade. Now since I would not take this because it's such a big like displacement, I would wait for it to come back down and then I would take it. Okay, yeah, look. So I'd wait for this. So and if this breaks, then I'll take this. Okay. So now this is the displacement. Either way, I wouldn't have traded. Is that a displacement on a bigger time frame? Not really. So still technically on the 5 minute, kinda, but like I don't know. Dude, like once I get this down, it's over. Like it will be really good. Okay, so we swept this. See if we get a displacement. That's crazy. Oh my, what is this? Okay, so now we're in a 4-hour gap. Yeah, I'm definitely not trading this day. I don't like to trade after those big moves. Okay. So on the 1 hour, we are now in a sell model. We came into, okay, this looks nice. This looks actually really nice. We came and we swept this, or we came and we filled in this. I expect this 4 hour to get broken. 1 hour in a sell model. Now all time frames are aligning. Like sell model on the daily, sell model on the 4, sell model on the 5. I mean the 1. We're in this. this is where I'll find like an A plus. I should. This 15-minute. Let's see if we get some sort of displacement. We broke this 15-minute. Could be community. This isn't bad. Just for reaching these lows. I just don't like that the 15-minute broke, but other than that, it's not a bad trade. What the heck? Okay. Okay, this broke again. Will I take this? If there's an SMT. There is an SMT. So yes, I guess. I will take this. Bro, dang. Just getting demolished, bro. Okay, we're in the 1 hour. Like, dude, I'm actually. No way the 1 hour broke. What? Bro, there's no way. Dude, I suck at backtesting. I don't know why, bro. Like, I actually suck at this. Like, there's no way I'm this trash at backtesting, bro. Alright. So I guess the 1 hour broke. Meaning we're expecting this high. It's 12 on this. We are in a buy model, so yeah, I guess those highs are the draw. So it did sweep these. There was no displacement, so let's see if we break these. I expect these gaps to get broken. So we broke this 15-minute. I expect us to just go down. Just drop down. I got a big displacement. Best case scenario would be come back into here. And we get an entry off of there. Alright, I'll take this. Like that trade was just like A plus because all time frames aligned. So like the 1 minute, this turned into a buy model. Then whenever we got this is what turned into a sell model. Like there's literally just market maker models everywhere. Like here we're in a, well technically we haven't displaced below a low, but a 5 minute displaced below this low. Like displacements are just like very crucial. But yeah. Like I don't know why, but I'm understanding a lot. Ever since I learned about market maker X models, like ever since I actually dug deep into it, it's like actually insane. And I still have a lot of learning to do. But yeah, I do expect this 1 hour to break, like I said. Let's go to the next day. Obviously, backtesting is way different than live trading. I have more time to look at all the time frames on live trades. I guess like I'm gonna try to replicate this being like live. I would only take one trade on live every day, really. Like 1 to 2 trading max. Okay, so what do I see here? Okay, we did break above. I guess on the daily. I'm still bearish on the daily, but the 4 hour, we broke above this. Did we? Technically we did, yeah, but alright, the 1 hour. Let's see if we're coming up to take these equal highs. So I guess we're in a buy model right now. So ideally I want to see buys. Dang. What the heck? If that was news or what? Okay, so got a big displacement on the lower time frame off of this. Technically it didn't displace below this low, so let's see. Oh, we are still respecting this 30-minute. So if this breaks, I'll take a long. Okay, I'm gonna take this long. Do a candle close below. That's when I'll. Yo. It still hasn't closed below, bro. Let's see if it actually. Okay. Now it closed below, so I'll take it. Alright, so. So technically we're still in a buy model on the 15 until this gets displaced below. But it looks like we are rejecting off of the 1 hour. So let's just see. Yeah. Yo. Dang. Okay. If this breaks, then that'll be pretty good. Time is it? 2. I expect this low to be the draw. Yeah. So this 1 minute did break. I'll be taking this. Dang.